Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecilia World. And in today's video, I'll be talking about how to make carrot face serum. And I'll be using these three ingredients: carrot, 100% aloe vera soothing gel, and in this bottle I have witch hazel. And I'll be using the witch hazel to blend this carrot, and I will strain the content of the carrots and mix it with this 100% natural aloe vera gel. And the face serum will be ready. Let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecilia World. Let's dive in.
Go.
So this is the quantity of the carrot that I'll be using to make the carrot face serum. And I'll be blending this now. I'll be blending with witch hazel. So here's the blended carrot. I blended this carrot using the witch hazel, and I'm going to strain out the carrot contents and use this to make the serum.
Go.
So here's the carrot juice, and I'll be adding the 100% aloe vera soothing gel to make the face serum. Added the carrot contents into 100% aloe vera, and here's the final look. And this can actually be used on all type of skin color. You can use it on your children, on adults. It's good for getting rid of hyper-pigmentation, to brighten your skin naturally, to have a glowing skin, and also to skin or even tone your body. So please try this, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecilia World. I upload different life hack video, so that together we can stay good, keep fit, and look young. Thank you. I love you all. Bye for now.